Problem 4 on the decimals review says, show which decimal is larger by using the less than, greater than, or equal to symbol. So I am comparing two decimals. So what I'm going to do, the way I prefer to compare decimals, is to look at each of the place values. And what I mean by that is I'm going to rewrite 4 and 245 thousandths underneath 4 and 237 thousandths. Now, it's important that we line up these decimals. I could not, for example, if I write it, if I write it like this, I put my 4, then my decimal 2, that will not work. That will not give me an accurate comparison of the two numbers. So I have to line up my decimals. So I have 4 and 245 thousandths. So I'm going to start by looking at each of the place values. We start with our biggest place values. So I look at my ones. Now those are both 4. So that's the same. That's not going to tell me which of these numbers is larger. So I'll move over to my tenths place value. Again, 2s are both the same. That's not going to tell me which of the numbers is larger. So I'll move to my hundredths place value. All right, now I have some different numbers. So 4 and 237 thousandths, that 3 in the thousandths place is smaller than the 4 in the 4 and 245 thousandths. So that means the number with the 4 is going to be bigger. That was a lot of circling right there. But this is going to be the bigger number. So when I'm writing in my greater than, less than, or equal to symbols, I need to make sure that my greater than side, which is a lot of people like to think of it as the alligator mouth. The alligator mouth is eating the bigger number. So the greater than side is pointing to, or is opened towards that bigger number. So my answer is 4 and 237 thousandths is less than, so the less than is pointing there, less than 4 and 245 thousandths.